Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add highlights option on your Instagram app here from your Android and iOS mobile phone. So the process for both Android and iOS is same. So for that just open your Instagram app and downside you can see 5 options here. So just click on your profile picture downside here. So here you can see this is my account and you can see story highlights. I don't have any story highlights here. So here you can see right now I don't have any story highlights on my Instagram. So if you want to add it, just click on new option. You can see, just click here. So here you can see all my stories I uploaded on this account here. So just select the picture you want as a highlight. So just click on any picture here and you can see one selected here. So you can just add multiple here. Just click on the post you want to. And after you select your picture, just click on the top of the right corner next option here. So just click here and you can see edit cover. So if you want to edit cover, just click on edit cover here and just select adding edit cover you want from downside pictures here. So after that just click on done option here. So the next option is to give a name to your highlights. So just type your name you want. So after that you can see on the top of the right corner done option, just click here. So here you can see this is the highlight I just added here. So just click here and you can see this is my highlights here. So this is how you can add a new highlight on your Instagram app. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. See you again in next video.